Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to add images in Excel the right way. First, go to the Insert tab, click on Pictures and you'll see three options. I'll select this device to upload an image from my computer. You can select one or even multiple images at once. Now click on any cell and then select an image. You can resize and move it wherever you want. Here's a quick tip. Hold the Alt key while resizing or moving the image. It will snap perfectly to the cell grid for a neat alignment. But here's a common issue. When you hide rows, the image stays visible and overlaps other cells. To fix this, right-click the image and choose Format Picture. Then go to Size and Properties. Open the Properties section and select Move and Size with Cells. Now, when you hide a row, the image will hide with it. Perfectly clean and organized. And that's how you can manage images in Excel like a pro.